This is our plane for today. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another flight video. We're going to use Frontier Airlines Airbus A321neo new engine option to Philadelphia. Today's livery is Kevin the Gila monster, which is a pretty dangerous animal. If you saw Brave Wilderness, Coyote Peterson got bitten by one of those things and he was in a world of pain. So that animal is not something you want to mess with. I don't think I've ever filmed a Frontier Airlines flight, so that's gonna be fun. Really hope it'll be good. See you when it's boarding time. Here we go, Kevin the Gila monster. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got a Frontier safety information card. Very nice. And look at that, we got actual, pretty much normal size tray tables. Let's go, finally. Awesome, I love that. That's really good. Armrests are pretty average as normal. No recline, which is all right, I'm used to that. So that's gonna be pretty good. Let's see what's in here. This is your menu card, which we don't need here. And here we go, we got my good old friend. Let me see the outside of the aircraft for you guys. I'll show you guys exactly where I plane spot my videos. Right there, baby. We're about to take off. Takeoff time.
on Google Pay for doing us a cash credit card for you.
You know what time it is? Oh gosh. Look at this. Goodness, this is worse than Spirit. Goodness, this is not gonna have a good rating. Oh well. There's a sink for you. Soap. So I guess that's it. This is one of the smallest lavatories I've ever been in. So, alright. Turbulence is really getting us a little bit. All right, there we go. Oh, some turbulence. Goodness. Touchdown! Welcome to Philadelphia. That's a good touchdown. I like that one. Planning. I love that landing, man. Nice. That was a firm one. I love it. You too. Frontier is actually pretty good. I'd give it around, let's see, 6 out of 10. I mean, it's an ultra low cost carrier, so what do you expect? Not going in the Emirates for around a low cost, right? No. I love the landing too. I love rough landings. I don't know why I do, but I do. So this was a good flight from Kevin the Gila Monster. So this is the last look at our Gila Monster. And that's it. We're out of here and see you soon. After these 5 videos, we're doing the Pensacola Beach Air Show, baby. So be on the lookout. I'm excited for it.